everybody, welcome back to Popping Pumpkins. And as you can see, I am in a slightly different place today, and that is because I'm shooting from Copenhagen. I am traditionally from India, and I was feeling really homesick today, so I decided to make some traditional Udupi style vegetable sambar. So for all you guys, I want to know, so which is that one dish that reminds you of your childhood? Let me know in the comment section down below. And also to be noted, this is an almost vegan recipe. So for all you vegans out there, you should try this one out, and you just have to omit the ghee part, and that would make it completely vegan. So let's see how it turns out. For the ingredients, you will be needing carrots and beans, onions, half a coconut, tur dal or pigeon pea, some tamarind, rasam powder, urad dal, mustard seeds, ghee, turmeric, salt, and some red chili. Before we start cooking, I'm soaking the tamarind in a glass of hot water to make the tamarind juice. Next, I'm cooking the tur dal in a pressure cooker. To make the masala in a blender, I'm taking the coconut pieces, the tamarind juice that we just prepared. Now I'm adding just 1/4 of the tamarind juice and saving the rest up for later on. And also the rasam powder. If you want to know the recipe for this rasam powder, please let me know in the comment section down below. Once blended, it looks like this. Now let's start prepping the vegetables. First, I'm cutting the onions into big size biteable pieces. Then I've peeled the carrots and I'm cutting them into small semicircular pieces because in my opinion they look so presentable that way. And finally, I'm cutting the beans into medium-sized pieces. Done prepping, let's start cooking. In a hot pan, I'm taking some oil. To this, I'm adding the onion pieces. I'm sauteing them well until they turn golden brown color for a couple of minutes. Now I'm adding the cut carrots and beans. To cook the vegetables, I'm adding about half a bowl of water. To this, I'm adding some salt to taste, some turmeric powder, and the remaining tamarind juice. Now I'm allowing the vegetables to cook in these flavors by closing the lid for about 10 minutes. Now the vegetables look nice and cooked. They appear soft and tender. So now I'll add the cooked tur dal to this. And finally, to this, I'm adding the blended masala that we prepared previously. Now the sambar is ready, so let's start preparing the seasoning or the tadka. In a hot pan, I'm taking some ghee, mustard seeds and red chilies, and I'm going to saute them well until the seeds begin to splutter. And finally, I'm adding the urad dal to this, and I will saute it well until they turn brown in color. Another primary ingredient that is missing in this is the curry leaves, which I unfortunately couldn't find in my part of the world. So if you have some curry leaves at home, please go ahead and add it. Now I'm adding the seasoning to the sambar and mixing it well. The sambar is ready, let's start serving.
So that was how I made the traditional Udupi style sambar. We had it at home and we all absolutely enjoyed it. I hope you liked the video too, and if you did, give us a big thumbs up. And if you like to see any of my new videos, please do subscribe to my channel because that's the only way you will know if any of my new videos do come out. Also, ours is a new channel, so do support our channel by giving us your feedback. Let us know what kind of recipes you would like to see, what other content you would like to see. So do let me know in the comments down below. See you later.